Is my phone here or there? I not know.
It is not here. Maybe it is outside?
Oh, yeah. That moment. That exact moment when your brain is trying, but the sentence just won't come out. You can almost feel her thinking. Here, there, outside. The words are there, but they're not connecting.
Yeah, and that's the frustrating part, because it's not like she doesn't know English. She knows the words, but when it's time to speak, everything feels disconnected.
Exactly. It's like having puzzle pieces, but no idea how to put them together.
And that line, I not know, that's something I've heard thousands of times. It's not wrong in meaning, but it feels unfinished.
Yeah, like the sentence is missing its backbone.
That's a good way to say it. No structure, no support.
And today, we're going to fix exactly that. All right, before we go any further, hey, I'm Zivara, and if that moment felt a little uncomfortable, just know this, you're not alone. That feeling when your brain knows something, but your mouth just stops.
And I'm Oren. And yeah, that exact moment where you freeze. You understand everything, but when it's your turn to speak, it's like everything disappears.
And you start thinking, why is this so hard?
We've all been there. Seriously.
So welcome, not just to a lesson, but to a transformation.
Welcome to Speak English Confidently in 30 Days, Zero to Hero.
And today, we are on day 6. And this day is powerful because we're talking about something you use every single day.
Location. Where things are. Where people are. Where you are.
Exactly. Simple words, but real life power. And here's the truth. You already know these words. Here, there, inside, outside. But knowing is not enough.
Yeah, using them. That's the real challenge.
So today, we take these simple words and turn them into real speaking.
And not robotic speaking. Natural, clear, confident.
And step by step, you're building something real. Confidence that stays. All right, before we go back to Emma, let's slow this down and really feel these words. Not memorize, not study. Feel them in real life.
Yeah, imagine situations. That's where learning happens.
First word, here. Here means this exact place, where you are right now. Not yesterday, not later, right now. My phone is here. My phone is here. Say it slowly. Feel the certainty.
It's like, no confusion. Everything is clear.
Exactly. Or when you call someone, come here. Come here. Short, direct, powerful.
Now, let's move a little away. There. There means not here, somewhere else. The bag is there. The bag is there. You're pointing, you're guiding, or even, put it there. Put it there.
Yeah, this is everyday language. Now, near. Near means close, not far. The cafe is near. The cafe is near. Imagine walking, just a few steps.
Yeah, comfortable distance. Now the opposite. Far. The station is far. The station is far. That feeling like, ugh, that's too far.
Exactly. It's too far. It's too far. Now, let's go into space. Inside. The keys are inside. The keys are inside, like in your bag, in your pocket.
Hidden, but safe. And finally, outside. He is outside. He is outside. Open space, not inside.
And already, you can describe almost anything. Now, This is the part that changes everything, and I want you to really listen here, because this is where most learners struggle. Not vocabulary, structure.
Yeah, connecting the words.
Exactly. When you talk about location, you need something in the middle, a connector. That connector is or are. Listen to this. My phone here. You understand it, but it feels broken. Now listen. My phone is here. Complete.
Yeah, it lands properly.
Exactly. Let me tell you something. I once met a student. She always said things like, my bag inside. And people understood her, but they always paused because something felt missing.
That tiny gap.
Yes. Then one day, she started saying, my bag is inside. And suddenly, people stopped pausing. They just understood smoothly.
All right, now let's step into that moment again.
Don't just listen. Imagine yourself there.
Is my phone here or there? I not know.
It is not here. Maybe it is outside?
Outside. Yes. Maybe phone outside.
Or maybe it is inside your bag?
Bag. Yes. I check. Phone not inside.
Okay. Is it near the table?
Near table. No. Phone not near.
Is it far? Maybe you left it far away.
No. Not far. I think here. Or there.
Where were you last?
I was outside. Then inside. I confuse.
Relax. We will find it.
Maybe phone is there. On chair.
Let me see. No, nothing there.
Oh no. I feel bad.
It is okay. Check again.
Wait. Phone is here. In pocket.
Haha, it is here all along.
Oh, yes. Phone is here.
Yeah. That ending happens more often than we think.
Okay, let's fix this together. And this time, really pay attention to the feeling of the sentence, not just the words.
Yeah, we're not correcting. We're rebuilding how it sounds.
Emma said, is my phone here or there? I not know. You can feel the hesitation. A smoother way would be, I don't know if my phone is here or there. Say that slowly. It flows, right?
Yeah, it sounds like a complete thought. Next one. Outside. Yes. Maybe phone outside. It's understandable, but it feels broken into pieces. Now listen to this. Maybe my phone is outside. One clear idea, one smooth sentence.
Exactly. Then she said, bag. Yes, I check. Phone not inside. You can feel the rush. Let's slow it down. Yes, I checked my bag. The phone is not inside. Now it sounds calm, controlled.
Yeah, like she's thinking clearly. Next. Near table. No. Phone not near. Let's reshape it. It's not near the table. Short, clean, natural.
Then, no, not far. I think here or there. We keep the meaning. It's not far. I think it's here or there. Now it connects.
Then. I was outside. Then inside. I confuse. That last part feels off, so we say, I was outside, then inside. I'm confused. That I'm fixes everything.
Then, maybe phone is there, on chair. Let's polish it. Maybe the phone is there, on the chair. Now it sounds natural.
And finally, oh, yes, phone is here. We just add one small piece. Oh, Yes, the phone is here. Complete, confident.
And notice something. We didn't change the meaning. We just made it flow.
Yeah, same idea, better delivery.
Now listen again.
And notice how different it feels.
I don't know if my phone is here or there.
It is not here. Maybe it is outside?
Maybe my phone is outside.
Or maybe it is inside your bag?
Yes, I checked my bag. The phone is not inside.
Okay, is it near the table?
It's not near the table.
Is it far? Maybe you left it far away.
It's not far. I think it's here or there.
Where were you last?
I was outside, then inside. I'm confused.
Relax. We will find it.
Wait, the phone is here, in my pocket. Oh, yes, the phone is here.
Ah, it is here all along.
Now Emma sounds completely different.
Yeah, same situation. But now she sounds confident.
All right, now this is your moment. Don't just listen, speak.
Yeah, say it out loud, even if it feels slow. That's exactly how confidence builds.
My phone is here. My phone is here.
The keys are inside. The keys are inside.
He is outside. He is outside.
The cafe is there. The cafe is there.
The shop is near. The shop is near.
The station is far. The station is far.
Good. Keep going.
Nice. That's how it becomes automatic. Keep practicing, even after this ends. Yeah, that's where the real change happens.
All right, let's bring this into real life. Imagine this. You're at a cafe. You stand up, and suddenly, your phone is gone. That moment, your chest tightens. You start looking around. Here, there, inside, outside. But before, you couldn't say it.
Yeah, I had something similar. I was at an airport once, and I lost my passport. Worst feeling. And I tried to explain. I said, passport, not here. Maybe outside. Or bag. And the officer just stared at me, waiting. And I felt that pressure, that silence. That moment where you feel small.
Yeah, that silence is heavy.
But now, it's simple. My passport is not here. It's not inside my bag. Maybe it is outside. Clear, calm, confident.
Maybe this has happened to you. That confusion, that pause, that feeling of being stuck. But now, you have something better. Simple English. That works. All right, let's take a second. Before today, you had words, but not structure.
Now, you can connect them, naturally.
Today, you can now describe where things are, clearly, confidently, in real life. You're building something real. Not perfect English, real English.
Yeah, the kind you actually use.
Keep going. Day 7 is coming.
And it only gets easier from here.
We'll see you there.